And a machine fire Iyara my ref for Jamaica's game. Roughest out here, hear me talk. No pussy test. No in earth.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move. Hey guys, today we're here with Iyara. Yeah, man. Iyara, not the machine gun fire, another one, though. You see me? Wait, come over. Yes, come over. Something for the ladies, them. You know, it's the lover season we're in, right? Iyara, wait, come over. For something for the girls, them. Let's go. Right now, in dropping machine, no, in tucking the machine, in everything on, in tuck it in, but in my cater for the girls, them. Let's go.
We up to, tell me what you up to. You not trust me, but you want me if you trust you. Me tell you some day in the studio. Me a record a song for fucked up. Turn up this in the room like a later. We not fuck to no Michael Jackson. Every minute you call me up on FaceTime. Carry your body, come and stop waste time. Bring the pussy, come over. Fuck if you come out of the mood, yeah. Eat through with you.
What? You couldn't just left out some of my lyrics out tight right now. As it started, you just started so. You couldn't just left out something, Iyara? Or something for the girls then, bro?
We up to, tell me what you up to.
What you up to, baby?
Not trust me, but you want me if you just
Melvin Entertainment, big up yourself.
Tell some day in the studio. Me a record a song for fucked up.
Yeah, what you up to, mama? Like, what you up to? Me tell some in the studio, what you FaceTime for?
Me tell you some day in the studio. Me a record a song for fucked up. Turn up this in the room like a later. We not fuck to no Michael Jackson. Every minute you call me up on FaceTime. Carry your body, come and stop waste time.
And say, yeah, we not fuck to no Michael Jackson. Beat it! No one is... Say not fuck to no Michael Jackson.
Not trust me, but you want me to trust you. Me tell you some day in the studio. Me a record a song for fucked up. Turn up this in the room like a later. We not fuck to no Michael Jackson. Every minute you call me up on FaceTime. Carry your body, come and stop waste time. Bring the pussy, come over. Fuck if you come out of the mood, yeah.
Hey, y'all bring the pussy, come and fuck it up. No. Hey, y'all bring the pussy, come and fuck it up. No.
Stop waste time. Bring the pussy, come over. Fuck if you come out of the mood, yeah. Eat root in the back of the soda. Y'all want fuck, me know that. Right on my cocky like the cars at Dover. Me and your man, girl, you fucking your lover. Bring the pussy, come over.
Bring the pussy, come
now. Fuck if you
now.
come out of the mood, yeah. Baby, for you, forever me not leave you. Love you for different type of reason.
Yeah, me like the video. The rhythm. The rhythm bad. We got to beat me a cup on that one now. Yeah, man.
You record a song for fuck.
Ladies!
Turn up this in the room like a later. We not fuck to no Michael Jackson. Every minute you call me up on
FaceTime.
Carry your body, come and
stop waste
yeah.
time.
Bring the pussy, come over. Fuck if you come out of the mood, yeah. Eat root in the back of the soda. Y'all want fuck, me know that. Right on my cocky like the cars at Dover. Me and your man, girl, you fucking your lover. Bring the pussy, come over.
What?
Fuck if you come out of the mood, yeah. Baby, for you, forever me not leave you. Love you for different type of reason. Pussy tight like shoes, but squeeze you. Me not
Push it tight like shoes, we are squeeze. Baby, if you are size 7, Iyara size 5. 2 I go squeeze up, fall up, so you know, I saw pussy tight.
love you for different type of reason. Pussy tight like shoes, but squeeze you. Me not leave you. Me a come in your pussy and breathe you. Say this a food, yeah, why you some feed? Love you for different type of reason. Pussy
Every
tight
type of reason I love you for.
Bring the pussy, come over. Fuck if you come out of the mood, yeah. Eat root in the back of the soda. Y'all want fuck, me know that. Right on my cocky like the cars at Dover. Me and your man, girl, you fucking your lover. Bring the pussy, come over. Fuck if you come out of the mood, yeah.
What now?
Girl, wine on me, don't stop, keep riding. Legs lift fighting, fat cocky sliding.
Girls ride on me, no stop riding, legs dividing, fat cocky sliding. Baby, know that, man.
Wine on me, don't stop, keep riding. Legs lift fighting, fat cocky sliding. She say sweet till it gliding. The girl come about 20 times. She never get a fuck like this before. When you fuck girl good, she want it more and more. Yeah, bring the pussy, come over.
Yeah, man, too much time I waste on FaceTime, baby. Come over, man, me strip your collar and whoop me hockey for you. Hey, girl, come on, hey, girl, come on. Yeah. Come over, man, me strip your collar and whoop me hockey for you. Come here, girl.
She wanted more and more.
Come here, girl.
Bring the pussy, come over. Fuck if you come out of the mood, yeah. Eat root in the back of the soda. Y'all want fuck, me know that. Right, mama cocky like the car.
Over.
Me and your man, girl, you fucking your lover. Bring the pussy, come over. Fuck if you come out of the mood, yeah.
Way up to.
You not trust me, but you want me to trust you. Me tell you some day in the studio. Me a record a song.
Still a fuck too.
Turn up this in the room like a later. We not fuck to no Michael Jackson.
No.
Every minute you call my on FaceTime. Carry your body, come and stop wasting. Bring the pussy, come over. Fuck if you come out of the mood, yeah. Eat root in the back of the soda. Y'all want fuck, me know that. Right, mama cocky like the car.
Over.
Me and your man, girl, you fucking your lover. Bring the pussy, come over. Fuck if you come out of the mood, yeah.
Solid. Some for the ladies, then. Solid. Some for the ladies, then. Yeah, man. Hey, y'all bring the pussy come and fuck it up. No, hey, y'all bring the pussy come and strip a car and walk me hockey them for you. No. Hey, y'all, I'm huh? You don't trust me, but you want me to trust you. The on FaceTime I waste time, baby, me in the studio, just wait till later when I fuck to the Michael Jackson. Know the thing, man? Huh? Actually, buckler. Song bad. Yeah, man, Bellevue Entertainment, pick up yourself again. Come over by Iyara. Yeah, man. I'm going to pin that one in the comment section. So, you can go check it out and give the G some love over on page too. You see me? Yeah, man, we have to support the artist them. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, regardless. Because I'll be there watching, I'll be there listening, I'll be there reading. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Pick up on yourself, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Blah!
Yeah, Ras gave a review your face, the dog. If face to your